Yo, master these 5 positions to do perfect push-ups today. Number 1, hand position. Place them directly underneath your shoulders, about shoulder width apart, and spread your fingers wide for more strength and stability. A wider grip requires a slight outward turn of your fingers to accommodate. Number 2 is foot position. Yes, a wider foot position provides a wider base of support. However, by blocking your feet and squeezing your legs together, you create more midline stability for greater core strength and total body tensioning. Number 3, elbow position. You want your body to form an arrow at the bottom of the push-up instead of flaring your elbows out like this, risking elbow and shoulder injury. And you should also have your forearms nice and vertical to the floor. Number 4, shoulder position. At the top of the push-up, you actually want to round your upper back and push your shoulder blades away from each other. But as you lower, pull the shoulders down and back to engage more upper mid-back muscles and provide more strength and stability to power you back up. Number 5 is hip position. Don't sag, don't pike. Keep the hips in line with the spine and squeeze your glutes for extra stability.
The floor push-up or the regular push-up is the classic push-up variation, but it's often too challenging for newbies. Don't be discouraged if you can't do a single rep in the beginning. I've been there. Just follow my progression system and you'll get there in no time. This pressing angle also targets the mid-pecs more. Pro tip, use a healthy mix of eccentric only reps, isometric holds, and assisted reps to master this classic calisthenics exercise. This is a level 2 exercise in the Ultimate Push-Up Guide, available as a Kindle or paperback on Amazon. Please like, share, and subscribe, and have a great day. Peace.